Hello, in this Kotlin programming video, we are going to look at the finally block with the try catch block. So the finally block is really simple. You just put finally, there's no brackets like this, and whatever code is here will be run regardless of whether or not the try is successful or whether it caught an error. So let me demonstrate. If I do print line, and I'm going to call it finally. So as you can see, we got 100 divided by 20. This should not produce an arithmetic exception because we're not doing something like division by 0. So if we run this, as you can see, it printed this out here as 5. It did the finally block and obviously did whatever was outside. So let's force the error. So if we do division by 0 now, even though we forced the error, the finally block is still called. So the finally block is always called at the end, regardless of whether or not an exception is called. So if you always want code to be run that's linked with this, put it in the finally block. So that's it. That's all the finally block does. Pretty simple stuff. But if you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.